Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can simply use Clickup. So when I started using Clickup, I was really lost because there are so many things to understand, but I believe after you finish this video, you will know everything. It's really simple and it's really easy. And I'm not going to talk like 2 minutes about like nothing. I'm going to go straight to the facts. So I will disable my camera now so we can see everything. We will start by creating the lists, how the templates works, how to create spaces, folders, and also how to create tables, formulas, just literally everything on this planet. Let's just start. Now, the first thing that we want to do is go to left top corner and choose dark mode. This is the most important thing from the video. When you would like find one thing, just enable the dark mode so your eyes won't suffer that much. When you will have it, now you're gonna see home button, then you're gonna see like your own, I would say, dashboard and things, those lists. Then we are going to see the tasks here. This is the most important thing. And then notifications, if you're working with a team or if you create your own notifications. When you would go to left down corner, we see docs, pulls, like the activity, the goals that you can create, help, and portfolios and reporting, right? Now, when you would go even to left up corner, you can create your own workspace. And let's just see the settings and then we will create everything, right? You can delete the workspace, you can rename your workspace. That's like really simple. You can add people to your workspace. Then you're going to select your own profile here that you can change your name, email, password, and like have preferences here and everything. So this is like the most important, I think, what you need to do, right? So when we have it, let's go back and here, let's just click tasks. So you have option to create a space. This is a space like the YouTube. When I'm going to click this button here, let me show you, then you have a folder. And in folder, you can create a list. List is like something that it's going to be like, okay, let's have a YouTube as a space. Then I can have the YouTube category or like name it, I don't know, let's see, YouTube gaming. And then I would have list of tutorials that I want to make. Or like, I don't know, Fortnite tutorials, right? And then I would have it here. Then I would have production. You can also create a list under the space. This is called space. So this is all about the categorization. Of course, you can have only space and just 5 lists. It's okay. It's really okay. But having list is really important because when I'm going to click like on YouTube only, I will have the lists here only from YouTube. If I would have more folders like YouTube gaming, YouTube how to, I want to have different folders, right? So this is how it is. Now let's just create add space because this is really like not easy to understand straight away. So we are going to try to recreate. So when I'm going to use template, you will understand everything. So I will just click here, add space. And now we're going to see like the space name, or you can choose a template. I don't recommend using straight away templates. We will get to it. Space name, let's just name it tutorials or like yoga. Okay, yoga. Click next. Now let's just choose the colors here. I like green, so I will choose this one and just some logo. You can also upload your own photo if you want. That's like really up to you. Let's just click next now. And now, who is this space for? You can make it private or you can make it like share with members. So I'm going to have it like with members or private. It's up to you. Now, this is really important. What task statuses do you want? This is important because when you're gonna like create new tasks, you can have the active statuses. So you can have normal, Kanban, content, marketing, Scrum, or custom. Add a status, I can like to do, then I'll have done, and I can have it like yellow. I would add it to done status. Then I would add in progress. Again, I would choose it to orange and stopped red one, right? This should be fine. Now I'm going to click next. You can also create a new template if you want to. Now you have like the click apps. You have a priority here. I recommend having tags. You can have sprints. Sprints are like tracking progress. This is also good if you have like team. What I recommend is like also time estimates, like about how add time estimates to any task. I recommend having this because when you're going to create a task, you can estimate the time, how long it's going to take you. So we can like count it up. Then you have like milestones here. This is also good, I think. And this is probably it. And I will have this. Let's just click next. And then like default settings for views. Now, these are what we are going to use. I'm going to show you the table, mind map and everything. I recommend having a table here that you can like have. This is like Excel table. I would have it. Then I would choose also activity where you can find your history, what you were doing. And you can have calendar or you don't need to. That's like really up to you. And then I will review space. So space name, yoga, avatar, share with. Okay, create a space. Now, okay, this is it. We are in our space. You have option to create your own list straight away or folder or use a template. When I'm going to use a template, we are not going to use templates. This is really important because we are going to create by ourselves. But you can actually choose whatever you want here. So if you want to, that's like really up to you. So what I'm going to do now, we are going to create a folder. The folder is going to be called Yoga YouTube. Okay. And then I would choose also new folder, which is going to be called Yoga Blog, right? So we want to have a difference between Yoga Blog and Yoga YouTube. Now, in Yoga YouTube, I'm going to create a list that is going to be called To Do. And we can see it here. So we have a board here. In progress, stopped, done, complete. This is really good list. And I would edit to do yoga for legs. Okay. Then I would have yoga for arms and yoga for back, right? Then I will just click here to board and I can choose like, okay, this is in progress. This will be in stopped. Right now, when I would go back to my lists, I can see that, okay, this is stopped, this is in progress, and this is the yoga for arms. When I would go here to the right corner, I can see add a column. Now here I can choose between date, drop down labels, progress, checkbox, text area. You can really choose which one you want, right? So like you can go like with the progress, then add a column. We can see like how much time it was, how much time it went, and you can really choose which one you want. Like let's go also with the drop down and how far I am. I can go like not much, nearly finished, and close or like not started at all. And I can have not much, like red one, nearly finished is going to be like this, not started at all is going to be orange, right? And here, how far am I? Oh, not much. Nearly finished. And yep. So this is how you can simply add custom fields. It's really simple, really easy, right? So when I'm going to click on the task, this is going to be fun. Just click edit here and you can change the, like what is the process right now. Then you can assign it to someone like me. Then you can set the priority if it's like high, normal, urgent. So that's like really simple. Then you have like the description that you can add. And here you can see like the fields that you can add or edit. Again, you can edit like when I'm going to edit the progress here, I'm going to see it here in my dashboard. Then I have like subtasks here in your main task of yoga. So I can add a subtasks. And I can go like yoga 10-minute tutorial, right? And then I get like checklist here. So what do I need? I need set up camera, create, I know what I'm going to tell, right? Then you can like add attachments. And if you have theme, you can actually write with people here. Hey there, guys. And here in created, you can see the time tracked. Time tracked is also, this is like the top notch thing. Even Notion doesn't have it, I think. Timer is such a cool thing. You can just start it out and voila, it's going to start tracking your time. So it took 6 seconds. So when I have it, you can also choose a date and you can have like start date here. So I can go like, okay, I want to go from start date Wednesday to, I don't know, here, to 30, right? Close. And here I can see that I have due date, yoga for back, assigning me. Then when I would go to border, to board, I can see right here the stopped. I can edit it, I can move it to done. Then I would have like, when I'm going to move it to done, I can see it in my list. So that's really simple. Then in activity, I can see everything I did. And when I'm going to click plus view, you can add table, this is like a really cool thing. And in table, what I really like is that you gonna have again plus here. And this is like some way this is the same as a list, but in Excel form. So if you're an Excel guy like me, you are going to love this. You can again create a new fields like email, phone, paper. And what I like, when I'm going to add a phone number, right? And I would add here the number, and I would go back to list. Look at this. I will click plus here, and I will see hidden number. I can see the number right here. This is so cool. This is really cool. Now, you can again play around with the table as much as you want. You can also create simple formula, like plus, minus, again, pretty simple. Then when you want to add to view again, you can add a timeline. And voila, here we have like the plan that I need to do. Then I can go again to it. Gantt. Pretty simple, but personally I prefer timeline more, honestly. You can have like Gantt here, like what you're gonna do, when it's gonna happen, etc. So that's like really up to you. And then you have like also mind map, but mind map is all right, but I don't really use it. But you can, I'm going to show you. You can explore your ideas or just visual representations of existing folders, tasks, and lists. And you can simply click plus here and just like create your own mind map if you want to. That's like up to you again. So this is how you personally use Clickup. I don't have much more to talk about it, because Clickup is really simple and I helped you now. So when I would add a space now, or I'm going to create a folder, let me show you. And folder name, I can choose like template here. I can go to, I don't know, accounting, use template, right? And look at this. This is like really similar, but you have just more thing, due date, priority, amount owned. So really simple, really easy. And then when I would create new folder, templates, project management, and voila. So you can use this template, just delete everything from the board and just use it as it is. It's like really up to you. So with all the custom fields. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.